हेलो दोस्तों, जैसे आपको पता है हमूराबी टैबलेट एक इवेंट चला रही है एक्सप्लोरिंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट्स ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, और इसी सिलसिले में आज मैं आया हूं रायगढ़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट जो अलीबाग में लोकेटेड है। और मेरे साथ अभी एडवोकेट प्रसाद पाटिल सर है जो प्रेसिडेंट है अलीबाग डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन के। तो सर आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और आपका आभारी हूं कि आपने आपका समय दिया हमें इस काम के लिए।
धन्यवाद, आप यहाँ आए और हमको ये मौका दिया, धन्यवाद।
तो सर पहले तो कुछ हिस्ट्री बताइए हमारे कोर्ट की, क्या है, कभी स्थापन हुआ, किस तरह से हुआ।
Initially, Raigad and Thane districts, they had a common sessions and district court. Since 1949 onwards, the Raigad district, that is the then Kulaba district, the independent district court was established in Raigad district, means the then Kulaba district. Since till 1962, there was no independent court building for district court. Initially, it was in one government building where now the JSM college is situated. Since 1962, there was an independent building for the district court. In the year 1982, the then Kulaba district was named as Raigad district. Raigad is the fort in in this district.
Correct.
Which was the capital port of Shivaji Maharaj. So when Mr. Barrister A.R. Antule, who was from Raigad district, he had named Kulaba district as Raigad district.
Okay.
So since then, this court is known as Raigad district court.
Okay. सर हमारी बार की स्ट्रेंथ क्या है?
Presently, we have more than 500 advocates who are regularly practicing, and they are the bar members of Raigad district and Alibaug Bar Association.
महिलाओं की संख्या क्या होगी सर इसमें?
As on today, there are more than 175 women advocates who are practicing in Raigad, at Alibaug district court.
सर बार रूम्स कहाँ पे है हमारे?
In our campus of Raigad district court, the bar rooms are attached to the court halls. Initially, there was one bar room where our stalwart senior advocates used to sit. Thereafter, by the passage of time, there was a need for additional room. So that room was constructed adjacent to the old bar room. And recently, that is 4-5 years back, there was a new construction of new court building. And at the ground floor, there is one additional bar room. So we have 3 bar rooms presently.
और ladies bar room के लिए कोई अलग है?
Yeah, one ladies bar room is also there, which is also in the campus of our district court. But it is also not sufficiently, that room is not sufficient for the considering the strength of lady advocates. Yes.
सर हमारे कोर्ट के बारे में कोई लिटरेचर, सोविनियर ऐसा कुछ छपा है आज के दिन तक?
Actually, I have no idea about it. If it has been published in past, but some literature that is available on the district court website.
Okay. सर लाइब्रेरी कहाँ है हमारी?
Previously, there was a library which was maintained for especially for advocates. There was one separate room was there. But so far as that library was used by the courts also and for the advocates also.
Okay.
We are now trying to establish our separate library, but there is no separate library room for as such. But we have adjusted our cupboards, library cupboards in the bar room itself.
Okay. सर कितने कोर्ट रूम प्रीमाइसेस है अपने यहाँ आज के दिन में फंक्शनिंग इन द कोर्ट?
We have one principal district and sessions judge, then 3 additional session judges. There are 4 civil judge senior divisions. There are 3 judicial magistrate first class and junior division courts at Alibaug.
और सर कितने तालुकास है अभी हमारे कोर्ट के जुरिस्डिक्शन के अंदर?
So far as Raigad district is concerned, in all there are 15 talukas.
Okay.
But presently there are 3 sessions division and district courts in Raigad district. This is the main or the principal district judge sits at Alibaug.
Correct.
There is one bench at Mangaon and one bench at Panvel. So far as Alibaug headquarters is concerned, Alibaug, Pen and Murud. These are the three taluka places which are attached to the district court at Alibaug. Four talukas attached to Panvel and remaining talukas of the southern side of the district, they are attached to Managaon district court.
ओके, तो सर मुझे अब ये जानना था कि क्या एक्टिविटीज़ होती है आपकी तरफ से बार एसोसिएशन की, कल्चरल, स्पोर्ट्स और भी कई एक्टिविटीज़?
Activities, annual function of all advocates and bar, that is bar and bench, that is arranged every year.
अच्छा,
We perform some cultural activities in the program. Also some sports for lady advocates and gents advocates, especially the cricket matches.
ओके,
This one day function is arranged every year.
ओ
Some lectures of some guest lectures are also coming to give some lectures to the advocates. Such activities are there. We also arrange some medical camps
ओके,
for the health checkup, etc. Such activities are there in organized by our bar.
ओके। सर मुझे ये जानना था कि हमारी बार के कमेटी का टेन्योर क्या है?
As per our constitution, the 2 years period is for the committee. We are planning to change it or extend it up to 3 years because that period will be too short to work for the committee or to complete their targets of some work which is undertaken by the bar.
ओके,
So we are planning it, but we have to make some changes in our constitution. Presently 2 years tenure is available to the every committee.
ओके। और सर ये क्या कॉम्पोजिशन है, मतलब प्रेसिडेंट, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट कितने हैं?
Yeah, presently we have president, vice president, secretary, joint secretary, treasurer, internal auditor. These are the office bearers, and other 5 members, out of which 2 are specially for lady members.
ओके,
So,
which like
it is the committee is comprising of 11 members.
ओके। सर अभी ये पूछना चाहूँगा कि हमारे कोर्ट प्रीमाइसेस में कहीं स्टेशनरी वगैरह, जेरोक्स, इसका कोई काउंटर वगैरह है?
Xerox counter is available in the court. Otherwise, there is no other stationery shop, etc. But Xerox facility is available in the court premises.
और पोस्ट या एटीएम काउंटर वगैरह नहीं है?
No, that is not available.
दैट इज नॉट देयर। सर कैंटीन कहाँ पे है हमारे?
Initially, when I had started my practice in the year 1988. For further few years, there was a canteen facility available, but presently there is no canteen available in the court premises. The advocates are demanding for it. We are trying to make some arrangement with the consultation of the district court and district court administration, and with the permission of the High Court, we are trying to
start that
facility.
सर एनी स्पेसिफिक पर्सनैलिटी जिन्होंने आपके कोर्ट में विजिट किया?
Recently means 2 years back, when there was the inauguration of Legal Aid Service Authority's special building. At that time, the then Chief Justice of Mumbai High Court, Lordship Dipankar Dattaji, had visited the court for inauguration of that building.
Okay.
Before that, the present Supreme Court Justice Lordship Abhay Oak Sahib had visited our court. H.L. Gokhale sir, he has also visited our courts, and the guardian judges who were appointed from time to time, they used to visit the court premises. Many lordships and many eminent advocates from Mumbai High Court, they have visited the court.
सर मुझे अब ये जानना है कि बार और बेंच के कैसे रिलेशंस हैं?
Our bar, Alibaug bar, is known as a very sober and gentle bar.
Okay.
Because the judges who come here and complete their tenure while leaving this place, they always give us good remarks for the cooperation of the bar. The normal atmosphere in our district court and bar and bench is very cordial and very smooth.
Okay. सर आपके यहाँ से कोई मेंबर जुडिशरी में ज्वाइन हुए हैं जो आपके बार में प्रैक्टिस करते थे और फिर जुडिशरी में गए? एनी लेवल, मतलब फ्रॉम जेएमएफसी टू हाई कोर्ट, सुप्रीम कोर्ट, एनी?
So far as Alibaug bar is concerned, one lady advocate had recently joined judiciary. She is JMFC.
Okay.
She is selected as JMFC.
Okay.
Mrs. Kirti Katkar.
Okay.
Miss Kirti Katkar. Now she is Kirti Mokal
Okay.
Katkar. She is selected as JMFC.
Okay.
Her father is senior advocate at Alibaug.
Okay.
Mr. Katkar's nephew, I exactly do not recollect his name, but he is now session judge at in Maharashtra.
Okay.
From taluka places, there are some uh, advocates who have been selected, and they are presently at the rank of either JMFC or senior division or sessions court.
Okay. मतलब एक इंक्लिनेशन है यहाँ के
Yes,
वकील
yes.
वकील साहब जो हैं ये इंटर जुडिशियरी.
Yeah, there are a few names which I can tell you.
Okay.
They are from Raigad district. So
Okay.
if we consider entire Raigad district, there are few personalities who have entered in the judiciary.
ओके सर, अभी मैं ये पूछना चाहूँगा कि ऐसा कोई हॉलीडे जो सिर्फ अलीबाग के लिए हो या आपके डिस्ट्रिक्ट के लिए हो, ऐसा कोई एक स्पेसिफिक हॉलीडे है?
The list of holidays is fixed by the district court here, and a few holidays which are specially taken here or which here in Raigad district or in Konkan region, Narali Purnima is celebrated with enthusiasm. So on Narali Purnima and Raksha Bandhan we have holiday. In Ganpati festival also the 10 days festival is celebrated here with very different mood. So Gauri Visarjan is the day which is holiday here in Raigad district.
Okay.
So these are these two specific days which on which the court is not working.
Okay. So, sir, before I will come to the e-filing question, I would like to ask you some general information, and then I will, in the end, I will ask you your views regarding e-filing. First, we will have the basic information. Sir, where are the law colleges? Law colleges कहाँ पे हैं यहाँ पे?
In Raigad district, if you consider entire Raigad district, your Raigad district starts from from Kharghar to Polatpur. In Raigad district, there are a number of few colleges, a few law colleges established in Panvel area, New Bombay area, which is attached to Raigad district. In Mangav also there is a law college. In so far as Alibaug is concerned, district place, there is one law college which is known as Datta Patil College of Law.
Okay.
Datta Patil, the eminent criminal lawyer in Raigad district, who was the member of assembly for about 27 years.
Okay.
So he has started the established law college, and it is in his name, Datta Patil College of Law.
Okay.
That is established about last 15-17 years back it was started.
Okay.
So that is the only law college in at headquarter Alibaug.
अलीबाग. एक सवाल पूछना चाहूँगा कि लीगल प्रोफेशन सर पॉपुलर है यहाँ पे?
Yes, legal profession is popular, and especially after the establishment of law college at this local place, the number of students they are getting introduced to law fraternity, or they are joining the bar after the completion of their legal law education.
सर लॉ क्लासेस कोई है यहाँ पे हमारे यहाँ? जानकारी में आपके कोई? बिकॉज इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट, आई नो, डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन टू आंसर.
Yeah, there are law college means some like private law classes are there because law college is there.
Okay.
Initially there was no law college, so no question of any law classes. But
Yes,
now there are a few classes. I cannot name them, but
Yeah,
there are a
there
few
are
law
some.
law classes.
तो इसी तरह से सर जेएमएफसी के एग्ज़ाम के लिए भी कोई ऐसे सुनने में आया आपके कि जेएमएफसी एग्ज़ाम के लिए कोई ऐसे क्लासेस हैं? हैव यू हर्ड ऑफ इट?
No, I have not heard about it.
हाँ, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी. सर मैं ये जानना चाहूँगा कि लॉ बुक्स वगैरह आप लोग कहाँ से परचेस करते हो? ऑनलाइन है या आपके पास कोई आता है?
Nowadays, number of means representatives of various publications they are coming. They approach personally to the advocates. Sometimes they come to the bar room and give demonstrations, and they try to introduce their product. So far as this law literature is concerned, one Mansoor from Pune or Mumbai, he comes regularly, brings various books of various publications. If we order him, he brings that book to us. So that Mansoor is a popular fellow here. He comes to and meet advocates. One Tripathi comes from Allahabad. Some other persons, they are all Maharashtra law reporters, representatives, they are coming here.
Okay.
A number of booksellers, they come, they just sit in the court premises in the bar room or nearby, and they try to sell the books, and they get good response.
ओके, अभी सर ये जानना चाहूँगा कि कॉरपोरेट अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ नौकरी करने की कितनी है? एक लॉ स्टूडेंट अगर प्रैक्टिस नहीं करना चाहे तो मतलब काफ़ी सारी है या लिमिटेड है, क्या है?
I think so far as Alibaug, this district headquarter is concerned, industrialization is not much. Mainly this area is known for tourism and all this. But so far as corporate practice is concerned or opportunities in getting job in corporate sectors, that is not much in Raigad district, especially in Alibaug, I can say.
Okay.
But nowadays, by the development of New Bombay township and the area which is adjacent to Panvel, there are opportunities. But presently at Alibaug, there are very less opportunities in corporate sector.
सर ऐसे कोई व्यक्ति हैं कि जो सिर्फ ऑफिस में काम करते हैं और कोर्ट में नहीं आते, या सभी लोग सब करते हैं?
There is no system of law firm like that, that they just sit some draft there and do not practice. That is the persons who are doing this law profession, they are coming to the courts also.
अच्छा, मतलब दोनों काम करते हैं, ऐसा एक्सक्लूसिव वाला कोई नहीं है? ओके,
as far as my knowledge is concerned.
सर मैं ये पूछना चाहूँगा कि जो आईपीआर का रजिस्ट्रेशन होता है, मतलब कॉपीराइट, ट्रेडमार्क वगैरह, तो उसके लिए आपको कहाँ, मतलब इन अलीबाग है या कहीं?
I think that is in Mumbai only.
अच्छा, मुंबई आईपीआर भवन है, उधर ही जाता है। सर अभी मैं ये पूछना चाहूँगा कि चैरिटी कमिश्नर का ऑफिस अलीबाग में है?
Yes, we have assistant charity commissioner's office at Alibaug since long. Initially it was a common office at Thane, and the same person used to come at Alibaug. But now we have full-fledged assistant charity commissioner, and that is working at Alibaug.
सर ये चैरिटी कमिश्नर साहब कहाँ बैठते हैं ये?
Yeah, there is a separate, his office is separate, nearby to the court premises. Yes, but in the city itself.
Okay.
We have charity commissioner's office.
सर अभी पूछना चाहूँगा कि इंडिपेंडेंट फैमिली कोर्ट है आपके यहाँ पे?
Yeah, we have independent family court established recently 2 years back. There is no separate building for it, but it is a rental premises in Alibaug town itself.
Okay.
And Alibaug and recently Pen and Murud, these two talukas are also attached to that family court.
Okay.
So we have family court at Alibaug.
Okay. सर इंडिपेंडेंट कंज्यूमर फोरम है आपके यहाँ पे?
We have independent consumer forum at Alibaug for Raigad district. The office presently is at in collector's office premises. Presently there is a president. It is likely to be, he is likely to be retired in your coming few weeks, few months. 2 members posts are vacant.
Okay.
So that court is not functioning.
In a way functioning नहीं हो रहा है। सर मोटर एक्सीडेंट क्लेम ट्राइब्यूनल अलग से कोर्ट है?
We have no separate motor accident claim tribunal, but the powers are vested with the district courts. All district courts are vested with the powers of MACT at Alibaug.
सर इंडिपेंडेंट लेबर कोर्ट है आपके यहाँ?
We have a labor court at Mahad for Raigad district, and it is learned that the government is shifting that court from Mahad to Alibaug, because Mahad is at the southern end of this district. So as a central place, it is better that it should be established at Alibaug. We are trying, the recommendations have been given to the collector for providing place for the labor court, and that will be done in near future.
सर इंडिपेंडेंट कोऑपरेटिव कोर्ट है आपके यहाँ पे?
Yes, we have independent cooperative court at Alibaug. It is in the separate premises near bus stand. But that court is here since last many years. So we have cooperative court at Alibaug.
सर आइडेंटिकली रेंट एक्ट का जो कोर्ट है उसके लिए भी अलग कोर्ट है या चार्ज है?
No, for rent cases there is no separate or independent court, but the powers are vested with the civil courts only.
ओके, एक इसमें एक ये सेगमेंट में एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन था कि SRA स्कीम्स वगैरह ऐसा कुछ है सर यहाँ पे वर्किंग? स्लम
There is no
रिहैबिलिटेशन?
slum area as such in the town or in the nearby place. So there is no question of SRA scheme
ओके
in Alibaug.
सर नाउ आई कम टू द लास्ट क्वेश्चन दैट ई फाइलिंग जब आया है, ई फाइलिंग ये इन अ वे फ्यूचर है,
Yes.
बट क्या हम सब उस ई फाइलिंग को करने के लिए इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर वाइज, टेक्निक वाइज उस तरह से क्या हम सक्षम हैं? आपके क्या सर इसके ऊपर विचार है कि क्या कुछ और चाहिए आपको कि मोर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और समथिंग? प्लीज़ उसके बारे में बोलिए कुछ.
Infrastructure is very much necessary for that particular project. For advocates also, for the courts also, there must be sufficient infrastructure to implement that scheme. The main issue is regarding the internet connectivity, which is not means there is a disturbance in that internet connectivity, and the establishment of separate section for that particular e-filing, etc. That is the specific infrastructure is very much necessary to implement that scheme of e-filing.
नहीं तो पाटिल सर आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि आपने आपका समय दिया और हमें बहुत अच्छी जानकारी दी.
Thank you
सर.
very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.